If your TCL Roku TV remote is missing or not working, don't worry. Here are 10 methods to turn on your TV without a remote. Method 1. Use the physical power button. Most TCL Roku TVs have a physical power button. It's usually located at the bottom or the back of the TV. Simply press it to turn on the TV. Method 2. Mobile app. Download the Roku mobile app on your smartphone, connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV, and use it as a remote. The app has full remote functionality, including turning on the TV. Method 3. Power cycling. Unplug your TV from the power source. Wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Sometimes, the TV powers on automatically when plugged back in. Method 4. Use a universal remote. If you have a universal remote lying around, you can program it to work with your TCL Roku TV. Check the manual for the right code. Method 5. Voice control via Smart Home Assistant. If your TCL Roku TV is connected to a smart home system like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, you can turn it on using voice commands. Just say, "Hey Google, turn on the TV." It's 6. Gaming console or streaming device. If your TV is connected to a gaming console like PlayStation, Xbox, or a streaming device like Chromecast, try turning on the console or device. It often powers on the TV simultaneously. It's 7. HDMI CEC enabled device. Enable HDSEC consumer electronics control on both your TV and any connected device. When you power on the device, it should turn on the TV as well. Method 8. Plug in a USB keyboard. Connect a USB keyboard to your TV. Some TVs allow basic control like powering on and off through the keyboard's function keys. Method 9. Scheduled power on. Go to the settings menu using the mobile app or buttons on the TV and set a schedule for the TV to power on automatically at a specific time each day. Did you still need assistance? Feel free to comment on your issue, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.